The Amazon rainforest is a haven for diverse wildlife, including a myriad of fascinating frogs. Amazon frogs are renowned for their vibrant colors, acting as a warning to predators due to their toxicity. Some species display incredible parental care, with males guarding eggs and tadpoles. These amphibians breathe through their skin, making them highly sensitive to environmental changes. Some Amazon frogs, like the poison dart frogs, secrete toxins through their